Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how you can voice search in Google Maps using your smartphone. So first of all, open up the Google Maps application on your device and then once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. There, you will see a microphone icon right in front of your profile avatar or picture. Tap on the microphone icon and you'll need to allow access for your device's microphone so that you can use your voice to search on Google Maps. Tap on Go to Settings and then toggle on the microphone option on the next page. Right after you do that, you can get back to the Google Maps app and tap on the microphone button at the top right once again. Now, you can speak in the microphone. Simply say the place or address you want to search for. For example, find the nearest coffee shop or gas stations near me, and Google Maps will instantly display the search results based on your voice command. And that's how you easily voice search in Google Maps, hands-free navigation just like that. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Google Maps tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.